Hello students, as I have said, I will take a short trick on how to find a cube root of a perfect cube. So I am here. So let us start with a first example. It is a 5-digit number and this is our number 19683 and we have to calculate the cube root. At first take the last digit, that is 3, and as we know that 373 is cube of 7. That means this last place relates to cube of 7. So we will take out 7 here. Now we will take our first part, that is 19. We have divided the number into two parts and now we are going towards first part. So in case of 19, you have to find such a cube which is less than 19 but not more than 19. So 8 is such a cube which is less than 19 at not more than 19. 8 is cube of 2. That means we get a number 2 for 19. We get a number 7 for second part and we get a number 2 for first part. So for 19 we got 2 and for the second part we got 7. So the cube root will be 27. Now moving on to our next example. So this is our second example, which is a 4-digit number and we have to calculate cube root out of it. So this is our number and we have divided into two parts, that is the first part and this second part. So this part we have divided according to the same this procedure, the last 3 digit and remaining first 2 digit. Similarly here we have divided it into two parts, the last 3 digit and remaining first digit. Now from last 3 digits we can take out 2 and 2 lies in which cube? 8's cube. So we have separated 8 out of it. Okay. Now taking the first part, we want a number which is less than, whose cube is less than 5. So only one is such number whose cube is less than 5. See, you can do it also. So here we will get 1. So what will be our number? From here we get 1 and from this part we get 8. So our number will be 18. So this was easy, but you have to practice 2 to 3 times and you will master the cube root. Also, for doing this type of short trick, you just need to remember or learn basic cubes from 1 to 9 and that's it. And you don't have to panic about the length of the cube, the digits of the cube. You can do it very easily. If it is a 6-digit number, I can show it to you how we can do it in fast way. So let us take a 6-digit. I'll show you how we can find it very fast. Okay. Though I have practiced it, I can do it in this much time. But I am sure that you can do it in less than 5 seconds. I don't know how much time I have taken, but it's less than the time we take to do the traditional method. And I am sure you can also do it. And students, at last I want to conclude that you can do this type of cube and you can perform this short trick in just 5 seconds or less than 5 seconds, and this will be really useful and your time will be utilized during your exams.